All right, let's talk about how you can sum data across different worksheets within Excel. Now, this is a very simplistic example, but the principle remains the same. And in this example, we have some different products for our business, and we want to know the total sales in 2026 that we have. So in our workbook, we have a tab for each month and the sales that those products made each of those months. Now, let's start with product 1. We want to know the total sales across each of these months. Now, one way you can do this is to simply add each of these together, which frankly just takes forever. So what we can do instead, so first we'll start off by typing in the sum function. Then select the first tab, so in this case it will be January for us. Then shift click all the way to the very end. Your formula should look like this. It'll have that first worksheet with a colon to the last or the ending worksheet. So now what we want to input is cell B2. And that is because in all of our data, cell B2, which is right here, is going to be the sales for product 1. And that is the product we're starting with to know the total sales for that year. Now keep in mind that if your sales data isn't formatted the same across each individual worksheet, this won't be accurate or work for you. So you need to make sure that the number that you are summing or adding together is in the same spot on each worksheet. In this case, it'll be in cell B2 for product 1. Then we'll go ahead and hit enter. And that will give us our total sales for product 1. And if we click this bottom right corner and we drag this formula down, that will give us the total sales for each of those products across all of these worksheets. And you'll notice that this formula changed from B2 to B3 to B4. And we know that for product 3, we want that to be in B4, or this cell here. So that is how you can sum or add data across different worksheets together within the same workbook. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button on your way out. Thank you, and just have a great rest of your day.